Hey Tigers, this video is to help the Tigers at home that are still distance learning create your own ping pong paddle and your own ball. In this lesson, we are learning how to strike with a short-handled object to strike a ball, a ping pong ball in this instance. So if you're at home and you don't have a ping pong paddle or a ping pong ball, don't worry about it. We're going to show you some ways on how to make some today. So, you can use 3 different plates at your house. If you have one of these plates, great, you're done. You need a plastic lightweight plate, a paper plate, or a styrofoam plate. Listen, plastic plate, paper plate, or a styrofoam plate at the house, okay? You also need to look in your school supplies and grab a ruler. It can be a wooden ruler or a plastic ruler. It doesn't matter. Wooden or plastic. So, as you see on this one, I use masking tape, if you have this type of tape at home, and I taped a ruler to a plastic plate. This plastic plate is a little heavier, so it doesn't work as well, I don't think. So instead of using it on its handle, it's kind of floppy, maybe you could grab it by the plate and the handle. It helps you hold it. This is a plastic plate. Here I use duct tape, if you have some of this duct tape at home, and I duct taped a ruler to a paper plate. And this one's a little bit better for what you need at home. If you have this type of tape, Scotch tape, clear tape, you can use that as well. I'll demonstrate. Here's my styrofoam plate. I turn it over, I place the ruler down, and I just put a few pieces of tape on the back of it, all over, just to secure it. And now, I have a styrofoam ping pong paddle, okay? Now, after you get done making yours, you only need one. After you get done making your paddle, you need some ping pong balls. Well, what ball is going to work great at home? Easy, a piece of paper. If you have a bunch of notebook paper or white paper, printer paper at home, you can make as many balls as you want. I happen to have a bunch of this thin pink paper, and if you crumble the paper up, you can make a bunch of ping pong balls. Check it out. We are striking with a short-handled paddle with your ping pong balls. You can make your balls really small and tiny, or if you want them bouncy, you just crumble them up a little bit and they're a little big instead of very small. And they bounce really well. You can practice on this activity, and in the video below, you're going to see how to practice and what exactly we're going to do with the ping pong paddles. Be safe inside. Oh, and you also need a table. Clear off your kitchen table or your dining room table, and it's going to be fun. Let's have some fun today.